This story is about Uma and Kisan, who were very poor.
We'll spend 2 coins to get groceries. Is it necessary to cook today? Money is the king.
How are you, Uma auntie? It was my younger son's birthday, so I made laddus. Please take this.
Oh, wow, Vimlavati. Give him blessings from our side.
Sure, auntie, as you wish.
Here you go. Our food has been arranged.
Wow. This is so tasty. Oh no, what I have done? I finished my delicious laddu. Instead of satisfying my hunger, it has increased my craving to eat more. Money is the king.
In the quest to satisfy your hunger, we will end up spending all the coins in the pouch. Have some control.
All right. I should control my hunger, but I can't resist the taste of laddu on my tongue and the aroma of laddu through my nose. Well, let's go to sleep to divert our attention.
Laddu? Now I cannot control it anymore.
Yes, same with me.
Here are the coins. All the ingredients for making laddu are listed on this paper. Bring a little of
Wow,
it.
my stomach is giving me same thoughts. I'll be right back. Money is the king. What an aroma!
Wow, what an aroma! Has Auntie made laddus?
Laddus? No. Perhaps some neighbor might have made them.
We are 2, but there are 3 laddus.
Let's first eat one laddu each. Huh?
Wow!
Tasty! Wow!
How can that be? I have put so much effort into making the laddus, and how can you
But
eat
who
them?
gave you the idea of making laddus?
But who gave you the coins?
Whoever might have given the money, but I'll be the one to eat it.
No, me.
Me!
Me.
No, me!
All right, fine. Let's split it in half.
All right.
No, slightly left. Yes.
But your share has increased.
No, it's smaller.
Now it's right.
No.
Huh?
Now you are taking more. Slightly left.
Slightly right.
The plan to share half the laddu didn't work either.
Huh?
Finally, they decided on a condition that they wouldn't talk to each other. And the first one to speak would lose both the condition and the laddu.
She can never stay quiet. So I will easily win this bet.
How long will he stay quiet? I'll make him say something sooner or later.
Huh?
Neither of them spoke, and both fell asleep waiting for the other.
If I get up, something might slip out of my mouth. So I better stay asleep.
I'll also keep sleeping. Neither will I wake up nor will I say anything. That door is still closed. Auntie! Auntie! Uma auntie! Open the door!
Why are you knocking the door? They might have gone somewhere.
If someone goes somewhere, the doors and windows are locked from outside, not from the inside.
Is it locked from the inside? Is something wrong? None of us have seen them for 2 days, Manies, honey. We should break the door.
Kisan uncle and Uma auntie don't even eat chapatis due to their stinginess. What will they do if we break their door?
Oh, we don't have time for all this. Just break the door, Manies, honey.
Huh. There is only one way now.
Hey, you both are here? Uncle! Uncle! Auntie! Oh, so much has happened. Why aren't they waking up, Manies, honey? Did my suspicion turn out to be true? Oh no, what I had feared has happened, Manies, honey. Uncle and auntie are no more. How did this happen?
What should we do now?
Fire?
Someone save Uncle and Auntie!
First, save yourself.
Oh my God!
Oh no! The fire has reached the cot! Get up and run!
Yes, finally I won! Oh no!
No! Save me! Save me!
Oh my God! Auntie's ghost!
Run!
Run!
There are no ghosts here. We are alive. Money is the king.
Oh yes, they are truly alive! What are you all looking at? Put out the fire! Oh no, it's catching fire! Oh no!
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.